we need a tool that we're going to use to write our code. It's called a development environment, and there are many different ones. There's something called Visual Code, there's Eclipse, there are many different ones. But I'm going to show you how to use one of the most professional ones, a tool that's used by actual developers in actual jobs. Of course, there are more tools that are used, but this is a very popular one, and it's called Microsoft Visual Studio. And I'm going to show you how to download this. So go to google.com and type in download Visual Studio. Oops. And when you get this search results, choose Download Visual Studio instead of Visual Studio Code. And I'll provide a link for that. Now this page may look different whenever, by the time you get to this, it obviously changes a lot. Currently we're downloading Visual Studio 2022, but the new versions come out all the time, so this may say 2023, 2024, doesn't matter. The point is that as you see here, if you don't see an easy way to download something called Community, which is a free version of the tool, then go to Downloads here. You click on here, then it will take you to a page where you can download the Visual Studio. And again, you want Community, not Professional, not Enterprise, those cost money. This allows you to download a free tool, a free version. So if you click on this, the install will start, and depending on what browser you're using, it's going to show you that it downloaded the file in one way or another. When it downloads the file, click Open. You might get this message. Now, words of caution. Here, if you're doing this alone, you might need a parent, because you might require administrative access. If you don't have it on your computer, then you will need it. Eventually, you'll get a message like this. Visual Studio has many different components that you can install, and it looks very intimidating, but it's actually very easy. All you have to do is on top left, you're going to see ASP.NET and Web Development, and you just click this little check mark, and on the right, for me, it says Modified because I already have it installed, but for you, it's going to say Install. Click Install, and it will complete installing. I cannot show you this myself because I already have Visual Studio installed. But once you finish installation, you will see a little message coming up asking you to sign in to Visual Studio. And you can create an account if you wish. But the easiest thing is to simply say, not now, maybe later. Click that link, and it will finish. It will finish installing. Then you get a pop-up like this. This is really nothing special. It just tells you how you want it to look like. You can choose a dark mode if you prefer. You can choose a light mode, blue, it doesn't matter. You can change it later too. So you can choose whatever mode you like. I know a lot of people like dark mode. I personally prefer blue. Another thing you want to do, well, you don't have to do this, but you can. If you look at this development settings, and it's going to be a drop down, if you click it, you can choose, let me see, this is a video that I'm playing. I'm going to show you that video as well. I would suggest you choose the second from the bottom, Web Development. Again, this is not important, and if you don't choose it, nothing will go wrong. But eventually go ahead and click Start Visual Studio, and it will finish installing. And I will give you a link to this video so that in case you have trouble, you can watch a video installation that shows you how to actually install from scratch.